The install shops at Dana Safety Supply play a large role in ensuring the safety of our officers. Kyle Freeman in Colombia, South Carolina prioritizes this, working hard with his group to provide exemplary services.
My name is Kyle Freeman. I have been here as of November, will be 4 years. This is my first time in the public safety industry. Found the job application on Facebook, went for an interview and kind of fell in love with it and just went from there. I am shop/install manager for the Colombia, South Carolina install location. Daily thing is basically just making sure that my technicians have what they need to do to get the job done in a timely manner. Answer any questions that may come about. Anytime we have a service call or something like that come in, make sure that the customer gets taken care of as quickly as possible.
How did Kyle's background help him become such a thoughtful install manager?
I have only been in the shop manager position for about a year now. 3 years prior to that was just an installer. And before that, I was actually in the residential, commercial, low voltage industry. So doing networking, hanging flat panel TVs, working as a cable guy for many years. I did that whole industry for about 15 years. I have previous mechanical background as far as working on cars. Actually have a 2 years associate's degree working on cars to be a mechanic. Never used the degree. So this kind of fell into place as far as working on vehicles, but also running wire, getting things done in a timely fashion. Working with the cable industry and low voltage, I was a 1099 contractor. So production line of things, the faster you can get things done, quicker, more money you can make, but also to make things look clean and professional at the same time. So just kind of fell in my lap. Didn't even know it was a thing. This particular week that we're doing this, James actually called me up. There was a management change position in the Greensboro office, and he requested me to come up here and help the new shop manager kind of get in the position as shop manager. So,
with the rising popularity of the company calling for more and more orders at the install shops, how does Kyle work under this pressure to keep producing at an incredible rate?
Keeping track on what I've been doing, making sure everything gets done, making sure that all my guys have the knowledge and power that they need to be able to get things done. My warehouse person, she keeps things running on that side of the building. I keep the install shop running. We just kind of, and for those that don't know, my warehouse person is also my wife. So that's kind of cool that we're the husband and wife team that kind of run Colombia. At least the Colombia install shop. I can't say run Colombia, but the Colombia install shop. It's nice to be able to do that. But yeah, for the growth, I mean, it's just keep my head to the ground and keep everything going the way it is.
With the safety of officers being in Dana Safety Supply's hands, Kyle makes it his mission to teach quality service and satisfy the needs of his customers no matter what.
Customers always come first. And in this day and age, in this world, one thing I beat into my installers is this isn't just a daily basis car. What we're building is the officer's life and death situation. They sitting on the side of the road, and for whatever reason their rear lights stop working. That's a life or death situation for them being on the side of the road. What a lot of installers don't realize, that, but that's something that I pound into my people on a daily basis. One, yes, we have to be fast at what we do because of the way we get paid. We get paid production, so the faster we get things done, the more money we can make. But it has to be done professionally, and it has to be done the right way. There's no way for us to cut corners, because this is life or death for that officer sitting on the side of the road. Lights stop working, something like that. That can be a very dangerous situation on the side of the road. The one thing I have kind of a reputation with all my officers that I deal with, if something happens with their car and it is a critical issue, so lights stop working, something like that, don't hesitate, don't even call, just come by my shop, I'll get it fixed. If their radio stops working, they've always got a handheld radio or something they can keep communication with their other officers. But if the lights stop working on their car or the siren stops working on their car, don't call. Just as soon as you can, come by the shop, I'll get it fixed as quickly as I can. What we do, we see our customers as brothers and sisters. It has to be that tight-knit community with the departments, because what we do, not just install wise, but also the tactical gear, the vests that we sell, all of that is life or death. So the customers are kind of our brothers and sisters out there, and we take care of them, they take care of us.